Something's not right. And I'm back. My name is Eric, and I'm going to give you a few ways that you can troubleshoot your Chromebook if issues are happening with it. First thing is the internet. If you're having a problem loading a website, here are a few things you can try. Step 1 is to ask yourself whether it's just one website that's having a problem or all the websites. If it's just one website that isn't working, you can check to see if that website is down by pinging it, if you know how to do that, or by using my favorite website for checking these things, isitdownrightnow.com. Load that up and type in the address of the website you're trying to access to see if it is down after all. If it isn't down, you may have an issue to puzzle the minds of the tech department. If it's all the websites that aren't working, first check to make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. Then check to see if the people around you are having problems as well. If they are also having problems, then just grab a book and try again in a few minutes. This means there's a problem elsewhere in the building or the world, and the people in charge probably know about it and are working on it. However, if it is only your computer that is having a problem, then it likely has an issue and you need to take it in to be fixed. Next, we have issues with sound. If you plug in headphones and they don't work, first check to make sure that the sound is not muted. Double check to make sure that the headphones are plugged in correctly. If the sound is not muted and the headphones aren't disconnected, then check to make sure that the correct audio output is selected. If it still doesn't work after that, then you may have a dead audio jack and you should bring it in to be fixed. If you go to turn on your Chromebook and the power button doesn't appear to work, then plug it in. The battery may have run out, or the Chromebook may have entered battery saver mode. If the Chromebook doesn't turn on after being plugged in, then there is a big problem, and you should bring it in to be fixed. Next, there are charger issues. If you think your Chromebook is not charging, first make sure that it is actually not charging, and leave your Chromebook plugged in for about half an hour. If the battery percentage has not increased, make sure that the charger works by plugging it into another computer. If the charger works and your Chromebook still does not charge, then you should bring it in to be fixed. If the charger does not work, then you should bring that in to be fixed. And those are the basic troubleshooting steps that I can give you. I hope by this point you've become more familiar with your Chromebook and will be able to get to work without a hitch.